Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to scan QR codes using this device's web camera. First, open the security shutter of your camera by sliding it to the right, then open the start menu, go to the list of all applications, open camera, let camera access your microphone and camera. You can choose whether or not you want it to use your precise location. Then what you have to do is select the third option on the list, which is barcode. Then use your barcode on your phone or on the card and click on the link that appears on your screen. Then choose the browser you want to use to open this link, and this way you can scan and use QR codes using your laptop's web camera. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.